inauguration session of the 5-day faculty development program on the research analytics using RStudio, Amos, and the Strata organized by Central Department of Management, Tribhuvan University, and supported by University Grant Commission, Nepal. I am Bharat Singh Thapa, your host for this inauguration ceremony. It's overwhelming responses from the various universities, colleges, and the research institutes of Nepal in this FDP has really encouraged us. And to maintain the quality and the effectiveness of the program, we closed the registration early and could not accommodate many interested scholars. So thank you very much for believing us. And we have set a very short inauguration program, probably 45 minutes. We are highly thankful to the Dean of Faculty of Management, Professor Dr. Dilliraj Sharma, for your gracious presence in this very program. So to formalize the program, may I request Professor Dr. Ramji Gautam, head of the department, to chair the inauguration ceremony virtually. Now, it's my privilege to request Dean of Faculty of Management, Professor Dr. Dilliraj Sharma, as a chief guest for this program. I'm sure Dean sir is already here.
Thank you, Bharatji. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Similarly, we have also the resource person here. We are joined by resource person. I think Vishal sir has also already joined. Yeah, Vishal sir had just joined here. So after our chief guest, Professor Dr. Dilliraj Sharma, Dean sir, may I request upon Professor Dr. Vishal Gupta sir, lead resource person from Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, to take the seat virtually as a special guest in this inauguration ceremony. So Vishal sir, hello, have you joined? Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Again, we have two more resource persons here. I would like to request Professor Dr. Surya GC from the School of Management, Pokhara University, as a resource person to take seat virtually as a guest. And third resource person of this FDP is Mr. Siddharaj Bhatta, Deputy Director of Nepal Rashtra Bank, Central Bank of Nepal, to take a seat as a guest in this virtual program. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Now, on behalf of FDP organizing team and the Central Department of Management, I would like to request my colleague, member, Dr. Balram Dual, to deliver a welcome note in this ceremony.
Okay. Namaste.
Dr. Dual, over to you.
Good afternoon, respected Dean, Faculty of Management, Tribhuvan University, Professor Dr. Dilliraj Sharma, Head of Department, Professor Dr. Ramji Gautam, research persons of the very program, Associate Professor Dr. Vishal Gupta, Associate Professor Dr. Surya Bahadur GC, Director, Nepal Rashtra Bank, Siddharaj Bhatta, distinguished guests, faculty members, colleagues, and research scholars. First of all, I would like to welcome you all to the Central Department of Management on behalf of the organizing team and entire department. It is our immense pleasure to welcome Honorable Dean Professor Dr. Dilliraj Sharma as the chief guest of the program. Similarly, we are pleased to welcome venerated person, Associate Professor Dr. Vishal Gupta from Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, India, Professor Dr. Surya Bahadur GC from Pokhara University, Nepal, and Mr. Siddharaj Bhatta from Nepal Rashtra Bank, Central Bank of Nepal, who have kindly accepted our request to share their wisdom and insight with us. As being a central department of Tribhuvan University and leading management institute of Nepal, it is our responsibility to enhance the level of research skill and knowledge, not only for our CDM faculties, but also for all faculties who are devoted to the teaching and research profession and really preparing for the future. I'd like to heartily welcome all the respected professors and research scholars in the program. Ladies and gentlemen, you are the rays of the hope and seed of qualitative and social impactful research work. It is our honor to announce that in this program, altogether 72 faculties and scholars have registered and shown their spirit of commitment to equip themselves. Among them are 3 professors, 14 associate professors, 36 assistant professors, and 19 research scholars from divergent sectors of the nation. They are representing 33 different institutions of the country. As we believe, the research works and teaching learning activities are so intertwined with impacts directly the quality of teaching and learning in the classroom, thereby benefiting the students, the society, and the national at the large. The analysis of data using appropriate statistical tools through very statistical software like RStudio, Stata, and MOCs really an important skill for research-based discussion and learning. This program is designed to cover all relevant aspects of research analytics, starting from the very basics of research and statistics, data preparation, data cleaning, to advanced statistical techniques like structural equation model with the sufficient theoretical explanation behind such techniques. Once again, welcome to all in this faculty development program. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Dual, for your welcome note. And now please allow me to introduce briefly all three resource persons and their topic that they are going to cover during this 5-day FDP program. The lead resource person is Dr. Bishal Gupta, Associate Professor, Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, author of First Among Equals, chairperson of Asang Desai Center for Leadership and Organizational Development, president of Indian Academy of Management, associate editor of Asian Case Research Journal. His PhD thesis on the leadership in public sector and research and development organizations was awarded the Outstanding Doctoral Dissertation Award in the year 2013 and 14 in the Leadership and Organization Development category by European Federation for Management Development and Emerald Group Publishing. He was recognized as an emerging psychologist by National Academy of Psychology, India in 2014. In 2016, he was conferred the Young Scientist Award in Social Science category by the National Academy of Science, India, and Scorpus Elsevier. His research has been published in international and national journals of repute and has been covered by dailies like the Times of India, Business Line, Ahmedabad Mirror, Mint, and DNA. So, Dr. Bishal Gupta, sir, will cover the structural equation modeling, SEM, using RStudio for 3 days, starting from 14th May tomorrow till 16th May. Now, the second resource person is Professor Dr. Surya GC, Associate Professor, School of Business, Pokhara University, who is the chief editor-in-chief of Journal of Business and Management, then coordinator, Research Management Cell, School of Business, Pokhara University. He is the PhD in corporate governance and has published dozens of papers in national and international journals, has been alumni in IIM Ahmedabad FDP program, and conducted more than 12 of FDPs and workshops in research and data analysis, especially in CFA and EFA among the university professors and research scholars. His area of the interest include the corporate governance, social entrepreneurship, and the financial system. Dr. Surya GC cover EFA and CFA, that is foundation of SEM, using Amos today after this ceremony. And our third resource person is Mr. Siddharaj Bhatta. Mr. Bhatta is Deputy Director at Research Department of Nepal Rashtra Bank. He holds a diploma degree from University of London and master's degree in economics from Tribhuvan University, Nepal, and Boston University, USA. He also attended Harvard University in 2016 and completed graduate credits in the econometrics and microeconomic theory. His area of interest include the macroeconomics, international trade, and international finance. So, Siddharaj Bhatta sir will cover the panel data analysis using Stata on the 5th day of the FDP. Now, we all FDP organizing team, myself, Bharat Singh Thapa, Dr. Balram Dual, and Mr. Phul Prasad Subedi are very much thankful to all the resource person and the chief guest for accepting our invitation, and participant and the Central Department of Management and University Grant Commission for supporting in organizing this faculty development program. Now, without much ado, for the special address in this ceremony, I would like to request lead resource person, Professor Dr. Bisal Gupta sir, in this inauguration ceremony. Now, Professor Gupta sir, over to you.
Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you to Professor Thapa and the organizing team at the Tribhuvan University for inviting me to take this 3-day workshop on structural equation modeling. Also, thank you very much for the kind introduction. Well, you see, research, I would be very brief in my comment. Research, I personally think research is an essential activity for any faculty, because the more you research, the more you think about various issues, the better you become when you go to the classroom. So I sort of believe that research is an activity we don't do just for publication. When we do research, we actually become much more effective in our teaching also. We become much more effective in the way we engage with students in our classrooms, the kind of knowledge, the kind of insights we bring on various issues, especially in our areas of interest. Okay, so it is a kind of way of thinking about various issues that interest us and the kind of knowledge that we would want to impart to our students. So a lot of people think that we do research for publishing. I would actually believe that research, publishing is a byproduct of research. The first reason why we should do research or why we should think about doing research is because it helps us become more effective teachers in the classroom. Gone are the days where you would go and tell your students that read so and so page number of the textbook, okay? Because one of the concerns you see today in management education, at least something that we feel in India at IIMA and many other institutes that I have been a part of, one of the problems that we face is that our students are not engaged in the classroom, right? We find it very difficult to hold their attention, to interest us in the topics, to interest them in the topics that we are teaching. One of the reasons why students are disengaged, at least what I like to think of, one of the reasons why our students are disengaged in the classroom is because we are telling them what is written in the textbook, okay? So they find that the faculty is actually coming to the classroom and repeating everything in a PPT mode or in a whatever mode that you are doing it. They are repeating exactly, or a lot of it is picked up from the textbooks. Well, they can also read the textbook. They can also do Google search. They can get the same kind of information that the faculty is giving. So when will a student listen to a faculty? The student will listen to a faculty when you go to the classroom and tell the student something that he or she cannot find either on Google or in a textbook. And when will that happen? That will happen when we actually start doing research, our own individual research, our own independent thinking and writing. That is when the student will appreciate what the professor is telling, because that is something new. That is an insight that student would not get in a textbook, right? So that is the reason why I think research is important for a faculty to do. And I hope that the method that we will be talking about in these next 5 days will help faculty, especially working in social sciences management discipline, to become a little better or pick up some skills in thinking about research problems in a better way, right? I would stop with this comment, and I will be engaging with the audience over the next 3 days, and I look forward to the interaction. Once again, thank you very much, Professor Thapa, the organizing team, Professor Ramji Gautam, and the Tribhuvan University for having me here. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, indeed, Professor Vishal Gupta, sir, for your valuable remarks and the words of wisdom. Now it's time to invite the chief guest of this ceremony. May I request upon Professor Dr. Diliraj Sharma, Dean of Faculty of Management and the Professor of Finance at our department, who always encourage us to organize such type of the programs, and again more in the future also in the Faculty of Management, for addressing this inauguration ceremony. Over to you, Professor Dilli sir. Dean sir.
Thank you, Bharat sir. Honorable Department Head, Professor Dr. Ramji Gautam sir, who is the chairman of this inauguration session. Very special guest, Dr. Vishal Gupta sir from IIM Ahmedabad, as a resource person also, Dr. Surya Bahadur GC sir from Pokhara University, and Siddharaj Bhatta sir from Nepal Rashtra Bank, and all our faculty members, scholars. I would like to welcome all of you in this 5 days online faculty development program on research analytics using R and R Studio, Stata, and MS. I feel pleasure to give my some words here in this very special program organized by Central Department of Management, Tribhuvan University. So I would like to congratulate the whole team of Faculty of Management in the leadership of Professor Dr. Ramji Gautam sir, organizing this event, this mega event in the situation of this pandemic, where situation is now we are in crisis, we are not in good conditions, we are in high tensions because our faculties as well as our staffs, our family members are also in crisis. Despite of this situation also, this program is going to be organized very successfully here. I would like to thank Dr. Vishal Gupta, Surya Bahadur GC, and Siddharaj Bhatta sir, giving your valuable time as well as your valuable support to our organization, Central Department of Management. Our large number of research, our experts, large number of that, our research scholars, faculties are involved on it. So really this program would be very useful for the faculty development in the Faculty of Management. Always I used to say that without development of our faculty, we cannot enhance our academic quality as well as academic enhancement in our faculty. So always we should enhance quality, research quality to our scholars. We are running our MPhil as well as PhD programs under our Faculty of Management. So for the students, the scholars who are involved here, I think to conduct that quality research, this type of programs would be more useful to them. Always I focus to our scholar is that please don't do your MPhil and PhD only to award, only to get certificates to you. Please be ready to guide to your students in the days to come. The problem is that our senior faculties are going to be retired, and that new generations should also be ready to deliver this type of quality research to our future students, as well as to develop the quality educations to in our faculty also. So these 5 days online training would be very useful to our students as well as to our faculties as well as scholar to enhance this type of different statistical tools. Only using this type of tools, then the research would be more useful, more quality research will be there, and they can guide to our students also in the days to come. So really this is a milestone to develop our faculty. So I wish for the success of these 5 days programs. And again, I would like to thank Professor Gupta, Professor GC, as well as Siddharaj Bhatta sir for your valuable support to us. And I hope that from this program that our institutional relationship will also be developed in the days to come, and collaboratively we can do other activities in our organizations also. Thank you all. I wish your success for this program. Thank you, Bharatji, and the team of this Faculty of Management. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dean sir, for your encouraging words and sharing your wisdom. And definitely, we all will be following these words and these advices for making it effective and making the teaching learning program more effective in the Faculty of Management, Tribhuvan University. Now, may I request upon Head of the Department, Professor Dr. Ramji Gautam sir, for closing remarks and a vote of thanks.
Thank you, Bharat sir. Good afternoon and namaste. Honorable Chief Guest, Dean, Faculty of Management, our resource person, Vishal Gupta sir, Suryajisi sir, Siddharaj Bhatta sir, most esteemed faculties, different our central department, different colleges, and all the participants. Central Department of Management organized a 5-day faculty development program on theme research analytics using R Studio, Amos, and Stata, where esteemed faculties, professors, different people are inviting here for the participation in this faculty development program. Earlier, this program was supposed to manage physically. Gupta sir was also ready to come to Nepal, Vishal Gupta sir also. Unfortunately, due to the COVID pandemic, we changed the from physical to online mode. We could not run the program physically. Due to the lockdown, we are staying at home. We are not tension free. Just earlier, our dean sir said we are losing the people, relatives, faculties, staffs. But anyhow, we have to manage, we have to stay, we have to do something so we can utilize this time in optimum in this program also. Globally, universities are ranking on the basis of research work. The ranking of the university, if you look the university ranking, on the basis of quality of research, on the basis of research, publication, the university are ranking. The Tribhuvan University is also focusing on the research. Not only the university, our Faculty of Management is also focusing on the quality of the research, always. So, as a leading institution of management of Nepal, Central Department of Management organized this program focusing on research skill development using different tools and techniques like R, Amos, and Stata. Just earlier, Vishal Gupta sir told, students wants new thing. All the things cannot be covered within the textbook. Textbook can be read out by the students, and all things are changing. Every moment, all things are changing. That's why these things cannot be covered. Then these things can be covered by only the research, time to time research. If we do the research, if we publish the research, that might be the new thing to the student also. This research work, if we do the good research work, that will be reflected. That will contribute to the quality of the education of the student. Not only the quality of the education, that contribute to the institution, that contribute to the society, not only the society, ultimately contribute to the nation also. So, this program is designed to enrich the research skill and knowledge of the faculty through interaction with eminent personalities from the different universities. Just like we will share the idea with the Vishal Gupta sir from the IIM Ahmedabad, just like Suryajisi sir from the Pokhara University, Siddharaj sir from the Nepal Last Bank, Central Bank of Nepal. The idea knowledge sharing will enrich the knowledge of the skill, research skill of our all participants also. I, on behalf of the Central Department of Management and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty thanks to our chief guest, Dean, Faculty of Management, who, despite his busy schedule and the COVID pandemic time, has found time to grace this occasion with this valuable address. I hope this valuable words encourages us to organize this type of program in the future also. Something new in the department, something new in the Faculty of Management. Earlier, on the leadership of the Dean Sahab, we have organized one very good case analysis workshop. We have invited two professors from the IIM, one Sunil Maheshwari sir and another IM Pandey sir for the case analysis. So that is this is the, at that time that program was organized by the Faculty of Management, and we talked with the Sunil Maheshwari and IM Pandey sir with the collaboration to do the work with the collaboration of IIM Ahmedabad. But unfortunately, we are not going on that line. In the future, we can do that one also. Same program can be organized jointly by Central Department of Management and IIM Ahmedabad once time in Nepal. Similarly, I extend a very wholehearted thanks to our resource person, Professor Vishal Gupta sir from IIM Ahmedabad, Professor Suryajishi sir from Pokhara University, Siddharaj Bhatta sir from Nepal Rashtra Bank, Central Bank of Nepal, for their valuable time, and they accepted our invitation to share the knowledge and expertise within our faculties and participants. I also extend the special thanks to coordinating team, Varsing Thapa sir, Balram Dwal sir, Prasad Subedi sir, all the faculties of Central Department of Management and staff who worked hard in making this program a resounding success. Last but not the least, I thank all participants, good hearts, who worked behind the
Okay.
Professor, I think he has some technical issues.
Oh, okay, it has been resolved now.
Please request all the participants for attendance also. There is a link.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Head Sir. Thank you so much, Professor Dr. Ramji Gautam Sir, for your closing remarks as well as vote of thanks, and for the words of the appreciation. You are also always, a source of inspiration for all of us like to carry out this type of the programs or activities in the department. Now, the first session will be starting at 1:45 p.m. Professor Surya GC will be taking care of this, handling this session, and it will be covered like, the foundation of structural equation modeling, especially CFA and EFA will be discussed using the MOS. So immediately after this inauguration ceremony. Now, before that, I'm confident that like all participants have already installed MOS on their PC that we did yesterday in pre-FDP session. Now, before starting that session and before going for that, may I request all the participants as well as the guest, chief guest present over here to turn on the camera, to turn on the video for taking a group photo, especially in the virtual photo, like in gallery. Could you please turn on your video? Balram sir, I think you are ready for taking the screenshot. Okay, Balram sir, is it over? Done? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Pranam sir. And thank you so much everyone for participating in this inauguration program. Thank you, Dean sir, and all the resource person, all the participant, all the official here. Now, there will be break for 15 minutes. And during this break also, you can interact with our team as well as the resource person for today, Professor Surya GC sir. But the session will formally start at 1:45. So 15 minutes, after 15 minutes, we'll be starting the formal session. And during that time, probably we can have an informal talk or informal interaction here. So thank you so much, everyone. Have a good day.
Okay,
We have a kindly requesting for the attendance.
yeah, please.
Okay, it's a for all participants to have attendance for the certification purpose.
भरतजी
हजुर सर
इन्टिग्रलको लिंक पठाइदिनु भएको छ यहाँ के इन्यु गर्नुपर्ने हो हामीले त्यहाँ गर्नुपर्ने हो
सर हजुरलाई पर्दैन सर यो यो चाहिँ पार्टिसिपेन्टहरुको लागि मात्रै गुगल फर्म यहाँ छ
पछि हामी जोइन गर्नु पर्दा कहाँबाट गर्ने
सर यही लिंकबाट हो तर विशाल सरले अब म एउटा लिंक पठाउँछु मलाई रेकर्ड गर्न सजिलो हुन्छ भन्नु भएको छ भोलिदेखि 3 दिनको लागि अनि उहाँले लिंक पठाउनु भयो भने त्यो पठाइसक्नु भएको छ उहाँले त्यो लिंक पठाएपछि म सरहरुलाई सबैले त्यो सर्कुलेट गर्छु आज
अहिले पछि हामी चाहिँ जोइन गर्नु पर्यो भने तपाईको 15 मिनेट पछि